If B-A a ba and B-Y a buy, put them two words together, what you get?
My.
Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. And right now, we're there in a May pen. Eh? I don't mean this. My son lame or something? Sound lame? Alright. Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. Back at it again with the next episode of the questions. You don't know, so we're there in a May pen town right now, you see me? And this is episode 3, season 4. So watch you know, come in, go through. So watch you know the vibes there, everything there as always. So watch you know. Hey, I be watching me, I watching you know. So people, I'm glad to be on the road again. Watch you know. We're gone. Buhn, you ready? You ready? Come at me, I'm blind to blow. So the first thing I want you do, just give me a name.
Alright, my name is Asheem Samuels.
J right.
Bree.
Everton Barnes.
Everton?
Barnes.
One retreat, man, you see me?
Philip.
Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Stone. Alright. So like the stone for the girl them, man.
David Coleman.
Demar.
Yeah.
Marcia.
Mishka.
Royal Studio on Instagram.
Royal Studio.
Yeah, on Instagram.
Alright, Leon.
At Rice.
Hot rice.
Yeah.
The rice just done cooking. If B-A a ba, right, and B-Y a buy, put that together, what you get?
B.
You put them two words together, what you get?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Put the word together.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye.
Yeah.
Sure.
Put bar and bye together. Yeah, bye-bye.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Let me ask you something now. Spell baby.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let me ask you a question now. Spell baby.
B-A-B-Y. Oh, baby. Oh. B-A-B-Y.
So when you put B-A and B-Y together, what you get?
Oh, alright. Take it over. Yeah, man.
If B-A pronounce ba and B-Y pronounce buy, you put them two words together, what you get?
Bombay. Where's it?
No, God! Baba, may I know?
You know that one? Listen again, you know. If B-A pronounce ba, and B-Y pronounce buy, you put them two words together, what you get?
Baba, me no know.
B-A pronounce.
Ba.
Baby.
B-A. Where's it? Say it back over.
If B-A pronounce ba and B-Y pronounce buy, you put them two words together, what you get?
B-A. Ba. And B-Y. You put them together.
Yeah, what you get?
Baby. Baby.
Yeah. You put them two words together, what you get?
Baby.
Baby.
Yeah.
Alright, my boss, alright. If B-A a ba, you know. Alright, peeps, so right now we are take a small break to big up the sound, you see me? Musical, international, you see me? And big up the whole Connecticut crew. You don't know what things that a Jnel represent. Big up Musical International, you don't know what things that people. Big up yourself. And B-Y a buy. You put them two words together, what you get?
Yeah, bye-bye.
B-A pronounce. Baby, man.
Say again?
If B-A a ba and B-Y a buy, put them two words together, what you get?
Baby.
What you get?
Simple thing, baby that man.
Baby.
You think say baby, everybody have baby.
Wait. If B-A a ba and B-Y a buy, put those two words together, what you get?
Baby. Baby, yeah.
Alright. How old you be?
15.
So if you was born 10 years ago, how old you be today? Yeah, how much you know?
47.
Yeah, 47. If you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
Okay, that would have been 57.
$45. So if you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
55.
Alright, so yeah, how much you know?
Me not have to tell you that, boy.
Alright, yeah. We're not asking that again, people. Here we know. If you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
Me not tell you. If me even say just still I go know, so me not have to tell you.
Mishka. Alright, yeah, how much you know?
Me? 22.
22. So if you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
12.
17.
17. So if you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
Will I still be 17?
21.
21. So if you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
10 years.
Yeah.
10 years. I'm at 21 now.
So if you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now? What go on? Yo, big up, you know. Hold on, yeah, how much?
20.
20. So you hear the question now, right? If you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
Me born 10 years ago. Buckler. 10 years ago.
If you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
So no young, would I young. But would I be 10.
Yeah, how much?
If you ask big man that.
No, man, I just for the question, man. Is it?
39.
39. So you hear the question now, right? If you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
10.
27.
27.
Yes.
So you hear this now, right?
Yeah.
If you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
If I was born 10 years ago.
Yeah.
10 years ago.
Yeah. How old would you be now?
Today, how old may I be today?
Yeah. No, like overall, how old would you be now? You see at 27, right?
Yeah.
If you was born 10 years ago, how old would you be now?
May I be 10?
You set me to vibrate when you want some alone time. What am I?
Come again?
You set me to vibrate when you want some alone time. What am I?
On the big army.
Set it to vibrate at night when you want some alone time. What do I say? I saw that we say. What I say? Alone time. What I say now? Vibrator.
I want to catch up a squeeze your blood short.
Vibrator. Female vibrator.
You set me to vibrate at night when you want some alone time. What am I?
My phone. No, my phone.
Yeah.
I'm could have said my vibrate. No, I can't say vibrate. That's an alarm.
That's your answer, Carla.
Yeah, boy.
You look easy to you, but it's not easy to me.
Think about it, you know. You set it to vibrate when you want some alone time. What is it?
Me don't know, you know.
Phone.
Phone.
Yeah.
Oh man, what up, man? Alright. Yo, I still don't know that.
Think about it, man. You set me at night to vibrate when you want some alone time. What am I?
Your phone?
Phone.
Yeah, your phone.
You set me to vibrate when you want some alone time. What am I?
Set me for vibrate. When you want alone time.
You set me to vibrate when you want some alone time. What am I?
Fun.
Eh?
Fun. Wait, no, me say fun. No, me say fun. Oh, wait. Where's the phone?
What go on, big up in a.
Oh, yeah, phone. Yeah, phone.
You set me to vibrate.
Vibrate.
Yeah,
vibrate.
yeah, set it to vibrate, yeah. When you want some alone time.
Alone time.
Yeah, what am I?
A vibrator. A vibrate. Can you vibrate?
Oh, no, the kid is not about that, though. It's kid not nice, though.
Eh? You vibrate, you know. So the allow time is like what now? Come here with the allow. Give me
Alone time and like when you want some
time.
time by yourself. So
Okay.
you set me for vibrate when you want some alone time by yourself. What am I?
You vibrate. You go and vibrate. Me allow and you vibrate.
Go to reduce your
I want to squeeze your blood throat.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 4. I don't know, so we're in a Maple, you get to me, I say. So thanks for watching the peeps, because watching the rain come down, you get to me, I say, we don't want to get wet, so we have to go find the car and find where you are, so we can find the laptop and find the editing, and so we can find the editing, we can upload the video, you get to me, I say. So watching the not following the people, so watching the wanting to follow Buhn on Instagram, because Buhn there back in the people. I know, so once Buhn there back, the video is going to start drop, don't it? Follow Buhn, man, BUHN_reaction. You don't know. Follow me to Jnel official_1. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know. So watching the peeps. Thanks for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. I'm out. We're out.